Every journey begins where nature sets the rules.
Skill is passed down through hands, not words. Chance into outcome. The harvest reveals itself. Freshness begins at first touch. Experience makes decisions in seconds. Becomes the factory floor.
The harvest answers the call.
Freshness is measured in seconds.
Selection begins at the source. Strength meets reward.
From river to system. Volume demands order.
Easy now, bring her in slowly.
The handoff is imminent.
The harvest leaves the river.
Transition defines the cold chain.
Every move preserves value. Cold preserves the moment.
Quality is protected immediately.
Every transfer matters. Care continues beyond the catch.
From river to road, the journey continues. Handling defines preservation. Temperature control begins the second phase.
Order protects freshness.
Controlled.
Stillness preserves quality.
Every route is verified.
Processing waits ahead.
Destination defines purpose. Chain of custody continues. Logistics meet precision.
Cold is preserved until the last second. Harvest meets infrastructure. This is enforced, not optional. Scale transforms tradition. Momentum replaces stillness. What entered raw now meets refinement. Preparation is subtle but critical.
Surface impurities are stripped away.
Now, gravity assists precision.
Moisture is controlled, not removed.
Nothing interrupts the flow.
Human eyes remain essential.
Selection protects identity.
Uniform cleaning ensures consistency.
Preparation continues silently.
Final rinse confirms cleanliness.
Uniformity simplifies every next step. Intervention stays minimal. Here, Rotelid of Grower. Decisions become mechanical. Classification defines value.
Only the best proceed.
Transformation is about to begin.
This is where structure meets method. Orientation decides accuracy. Final checks precede precision. Consistency is engineered. Cuts are swift and exact. Nothing is misplaced. Access without damage.
Human correction perfects machines.
Data replaces assumption.
Standards remain uncompromised. The next stage reshapes everything.
The raw form is now refined.
Position defines outcome.
Transformation demands control.
Accuracy is silent.
Separation is absolute.
Quality shows itself. Quality shows itself. Perfection is deliberate. Transformation without waste.
Texture is preserved.
Uniformity is measured.
Shape defines value.
Every cut is planned.
The product now has form.
Protection without excess. Nothing is assumed.
Clean environments reveal truth.
Final chapter begins.
Exposure ends here.
Completion begins with protection.
Freshness is locked in. Stability is ensured. Identity is assigned.
Trust is verified one last time.
Precision. Containment is complete.
Time is paused.
Readiness replaces waiting. The chain prepares to release.
Distribution takes control.